Hello everybody, welcome to another video of Riz Trading channel. In today's video, we will discuss about the best Heikin Ashi trading strategy. But before diving into the video, I want you guys to subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon so you will never miss any latest videos from this channel. Now without any further ado, let's dive into the video. Heikin Ashi is Japanese charting technique which helps us to read the price action and predict the future prices. It can also predict the upcoming trend, and it also helps us to avoid trading and ranging periods. Heikin Ashi is based on 2-period averages. Normally, traders identify these two primary trade signals through Heikin Ashi candlesticks. The green candle with no wicks or very small wicks indicates a strong uptrend, and the red candle with a small body and a long upper and lower wicks indicates a strong downtrend. Heikin Ashi is famous for the tight stop losses and take profits, and it also helps traders to save a lot of money. We can use Heikin Ashi technique on every currency pair, and we can use it on every time frame. If we use this technique on hourly chart, then Heikin Ashi values will be average of open, close, high and low of each hour. And if we use this technique on daily chart, then the Heikin Ashi value will based on open, close, high and low of the day. Strategy: we will place our trades with the help of Heikin Ashi and price action levels. There are many ways to identify significant levels. You can use any price action indicator, or you can draw levels manually. If you want to learn the art of finding support and resistance levels, then check out the video which I have created on this channel. All the links are in description. Sell signal: when the price is on a significant level, the Heikin Ashi candlesticks changes its color from green to red, and the candle closes with a small body and a long lower wick. It triggers the sell signal, and you can place your sell at the opening of next candle. Stop loss for sell: set your stop loss above the signal candle high. Take profit for sell: there is no recommended profit ratio in this strategy. Do not exit the trade in ongoing trend. If the price is on a significant level and the Heikin Ashi candle changes its color from red to green, and the candle closes with a small body and a long upper wick, and the next candle also closes above the previous candle, then exit is recommended. Buy signal: when the price is on a significant level and the Heikin Ashi candle changes its color from red to green, and the candle closes with a small body and a long upper wick, it triggers the buy signal, and you can place your buy at the opening of next candle. Stop loss for buy: set your stop loss below the signal candle low. Take profit for buy: there is no recommended profit ratio in this strategy. Do not exit the trade in ongoing trend. If the price is on a significant level and the Heikin Ashi candlestick changes its color from green to red, and the candle closes with a small body and a long lower wick, and the next candle also closes below the previous candle, then the exit is recommended. Now let's talk about some pros and cons of Heikin Ashi trading strategy. Let's start with the pros. Number 1. You don't have to think about the technicalities of this indicator. Unlike other indicators, it doesn't have any options or parameters to select. Number 2, it eliminates the false signals by slowing down the speed of market. Number 3, it helps you to see the trend by filtering out market noise, so you can stay in trade till the end of the trend. Now the cons of this system. The Heikin Ashi indicator is more effective in trends. You can't use it in fluctuating market. Heikin Ashi does not only dismiss useless signals to open the trade, but also provides you with a lead signal for closing the trade. Number 2, the indicator does not fit short-term and scalping strategies. So this is it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new. If you did, then please like this video because it motivates us to come up with more amazing content for you guys. And don't forget to subscribe to Riz Trading channel. Till next time, take care.